The government recognizes the importance of local industries. In the past, there was a neglect. So the number of people employed in the local industry over the last 15 years has actually come down by 50%.
Yeah.
So this will change a trend. This budget will change a trend, and then you will see much more people, many more people employed in the local industries. Another important feature of this budget is a shift from collecting income from the low-income people, or poor people, to the people who can afford. So there's a shift of tax collection from the poor people to richer people, people who can afford, and also more tax collection in the tourism sector.
But there seems to be something in it for everyone, for most people anyway. Taxes have come down and salaries are going up for the government sector. Company taxes down from 28 to 20%. So that's a big boost, hopefully, for investment by the private sector. Government has been looking at trying to get the private sector to drive growth. As you realize, the last few years growth has been really low, and I think it's important that the private sector now steps in and makes use of this windfall that they will get.
Project, and it's the women that are being empowered to alleviate poverty, and there has been almost doubling of the budget that was given to us this year for next year. So that means that we will be able to expand the assistance we provide to women to economically empower them.